The day has come. I have to kill Perseus.
Medusa,
Can you hear the sound of death? Sisters, I'm afraid this is my last day. I have to kill Perseus.
Her beating so fast in the moment. My head is full of thoughts.
He will so afraid that he may turn into a cold rock.
Beating, thinking, shaking. Now let's go kill Medusa.
He has to kill me to save his mother. But Perseus, please don't look in my eyes.
I was so afraid I may look in her eyes.
How
to
can I kill
her?
him?
Mom, please pray to God for me.
Yes, pray to God you will not die.
I want to kill the disgusting monster, but I can hardly feel the footstep.
Sisters, please prepare for the last war. Be brave, don't be nervous.
So cold and tired, my legs are so heavy. My mind was more heavy and painful.
Now I can hear his footsteps, I can feel him. I remind myself, be brave, don't be nervous, God please help me. How brave and clever he is, but it is impossible to kill me.
I can feel how she disgusting.
How would he fight with me?
Her?
Will he succeed to take my head?
Will I succeed to take her head?